Right, Colin, croeso un y pimp, welcome to un y pimp. It's nice to meet you.
Very nice.
The man himself, Merlin.
Hello.
What can the viewers expect from Merlin in the second series now?
Well,
Without giving too much away, obviously.
yes, we can't give too much away, but I mean, it is everything's moved on with in terms of the characters. It's taken bigger steps in terms of the characters' journeys towards their means of the legends that we know that they are. Everything's a lot bigger. I'm sure people we've been telling you, but it has a huge feel to it, and it's particularly with the stuff of the jousting and the creatures that we've got coming up, and it's also a bit darker as well. It's still got that humour, but things get quite dark, especially towards the end. So there's a lot to look forward to.
Okay, and how are you finding Wales, basically? Because you've been here for how long now?
Oh, we've been filming for 8 months, sort of going back and forth between France and Cardiff, and it's great. Yeah, I mean, I've never really spent a huge amount of time in Wales as I have done now.
Yeah.
So you get to know it well. But yeah, it's great. I mean, Cardiff's a really cool city. It's, there's a lot going on. Anything that you want or need, it's there. And for going out, it's great. So it's great restaurants and the live music seems pretty good as well. So
it seems like a very happy set. It seems like a very happy crew. Are there any divas around you?
I would love to tell you that there's lots of scandal and fights and everything that go on, but no, everyone's genuinely really nice. So, yeah. I mean, don't know. I mean, it can get a bit feisty at lunchtime around the queue. So watch out today if you're trying to get a meal.
The buffet is deadly.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of hunger pains obviously going on throughout the morning.
You're obviously from Ireland and you've mastered the English accent. Have you mastered the Welsh accent?
So, no, I'll tell you. I'll get Bradley to do a Welsh accent for you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Have you learned any Welsh words?
Literally about 20 minutes ago, somebody said some Welsh words to me, but I got the impression that I wouldn't want to repeat them on TV.
That's a fair comment. All right. Well, it's quite rare that you've got some time off as well, because you seem to be involved in the majority of the scenes.
Yeah, it's quite full on. I think although the series is called Merlin, it does centre around each episode tends to concentrate on different characters: Arthur, Morgana, Gwen, but Merlin will somehow be involved in that story and or caught up in it or causing it. So yeah, it tend to be in quite a few scenes. But it's good. It keeps you on your toes, keeps you busy, active, and yeah, I love it.
Okay, and before we finish, I like the attention to detail. This is my favourite prop on set.
We decided it's just part of the period. It says a lot about
it works,
about the set. Yeah, I mean, especially from that angle. So it's great.
Yeah, from that angle, it's perfect.
Totally.
Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr.
Thank you.
Thank you.